This is the perfect flutter kick, but so many people do this wrong and get loads of back pain whilst doing it. A lot of the time they look much more like this, which is actually a complete waste of your time and may actually be the reason you're getting your pain. So we're going to build this exercise from the ground up so that you look more like this and aren't wasting your time and you can stop that pain. How you get into a flutter kick is really important. So we're going to go hands behind your head and we're going to come up into tabletop. You're going to see your elbows into your periphery so that you get a little bit of space into your shoulders. And as you breathe out, you're going to turn through your rib cage to come up into a chest lift. At this point, your lower back will gently meet the floor. You're not forcing it. And your gaze is somewhere around your mid-thigh, so you get a little bit of a chin tuck and you can kind of keep your neck under control. It's really simple. At this point, extend one leg, then the other. And you just flutter your legs, okay? The aim of the game is, can you maintain that curved shape into your spine and keep your breath going at the same time? If you can, you know your pelvis is supporting your legs a little bit. If you go too low, so as Susie takes her legs down, you'll notice that she'll start to get an arch in her back. Bend your knees, come back in again. We want to try and stop before this point. As you get tired, you can lift those legs a little bit higher so it makes it a little bit easier, or you can stay with those legs out there. Now, if you're finding this really, really hard, again, this is an advanced exercise, so go and check out our single leg stretch video or our femur arcs. And if you enjoyed this, then subscribe to our channel, comment below, and let us know what you thought.